Yes, so we don't show, we don't come, we always the day for now, any day, anytime. And as I always dey tell now, any news as it is fresh, as it is hot, as they take the unleash am, so we say we dey get and they unwrap and give everyone. We dey always stand there team like the rock of Gibraltar. We know they shake, nothing they move us. And I always dey tell now, no believe me, they run this mouth like Lagos Star Porter. Even though we say as they go, I get my partner for here. Who they waiting to be himself?
Yes, so na babe.
Okay, now so we don't show again. We always a show as a we be show.
But wait, as we show so, verse dey my mind. But continue. After I go unleash that verse, give you.
No, no, like say my intro too harsh. As she start say verse dey my mind, and so verse dey my mind because if I say make I do my chest like King Kong, I no go know when this camera go scatter. So take my phone fit touch una when they watch me from here. They say I will call the music no more na lie. Na lie. It's empty verse now they make noise. Na lie. Person will sing that song, please. I will beg you go and review that phrase. Go rephrase that song again. South Africa, they make the noise. They make them, they shout, they make everywhere. So they snap our stadium, snap our grass, snap our boots, snap our country, snap the road we need to Calabar. You don't know, say all the snap they snap, they don't snap.
Send people, make them go.
So they snap people go to watch. We say all what they do. No, that's what they say. For every stress you stretch yourself, you never go in vain. South Africa has proven it to us. The only thing we will prove is say we are not xenophobic.
I don't know for you.
We don't be.
Now only you one now. Now you go bring English. Now you go see they ask me. I don't know where you from get the English from.
Many say we Nigerians, the only thing we say we sabi do, we say we are not xenophobia. We are not xenophobic. Say we know the big people. We know the beat people for their house, but is that now an excuse?
I beg. Seno waiting come. The thing now he make me cough.
Xenophobia.
Break it down.
Break it down. I no carry am come for just help you break am.
Okay. Anyway, now so in they like to they misbehave, but as in they misbehave so, in they still yarn better thing.
Wetin pay me pass say after I don wear green white jean, don carry green muffler, so that I paint my teeth green, paint my tongue white, put white makeup, kaja, everything.
Now you still black like this.
No chemical out there.
You paint yourself green and a white.
You no understand how they talk now.
I don't understand. Make me understand.
Well, it just be I say I don't pray to God. Wetin pay me pass and I go see they talk am. Super Eagles, Super Chicken. God is seeing you people. You people gave us the highest, utmost, say you are the youngest team in the world. You don't know, say people are just coming to Uyo to come and a whole stadium. That's it. They say now Bayern Munich get that kind of stadium. We say if Bayern Munich catch you for that stadium, we know how many zero they shop. South Africa not came. South Africa that did not have history against us. We have played these people 12 good times.
They came. They saw.
And they conquered. Oh my God.
Lobaton, finish. You know wetin dey vex me pass.
Talk your own before we talk.
You know wetin dey vex me pass. May I talk my own, make Nigeria better. My own verse be say, e get one song wey dey talk say you can put the blame on me. This one go come. E go say sorry for wetin happen. You are not to be. Who we go come carry the blame?
No to
shift for you.
I go dey call their name. Number one, our own basket wey dey put for inside post. Daniel Akpeyi, he say make we. What is your job, please? How?
You know wetin even vex me for Daniel? Daniel dey play South African league. He still come.
You know,
and I know say na wetin make dem use am.
Say okay, say you get a place. You know as those South African players
United,
and they fire the shot.
And because all those guys to their own base player, na him dey come. Na that second goal, na him open my mouth. I open am till 9 o'clock. Na him person come tap me say, fly dey pass, mosquito dey pass. You open mouth. Wetin happen? Na him I say dakun iwo down na Nigeria. They come tell me say ma calm down. Na wetin make me see me here, I can't calm down.
Even though cricket player sef go catch that ball.
You know another thing wey vex me, the one wey dey put for phone wey be say na Kelechi Iheanacho. I don't know bia na the money wey dey give am for.
How much dem dey pay am? He collect money.
Yeah, he don chop apple, he don load. If you see as e dey run like elephant. Bim. As e dey run, the sound I dey hear am for TV. E be like say I dey the stadium. E dey run like elephant. Na everywhere dey do bim.
Everybody now wan blame for this. Everybody reach our own Ghana to rah.
No spoil the name. If you dey vex, no vex with that. No spoil the name.
I'm evaporating.
Because you know say everywhere they watch us everywhere. Even around the globe.
Let me say my mind.
So that they know they go know the person.
I don't know what enter in head. He say in dey unbeaten. Say start oh no. Wetin come with the essence since una go France and I dey suspect am. Una play Euro Conseca. Una dey play 1-1 and that don dey suspect.
You know wetin they go do for Paris? They go flex.
They go flex. I know say for Paris there's a big flex. There's a big do party.
They don't go club, you know. Just do light training, flex.
Person wey come even vex me say if I see am now, if they say my tendrous mogo anger don come down.
Calm down.
If I catch am, how person we play match finish instead make e still dey cry, dey sober, dey show reflexive sober mood. You come talk say you are now an happily married man.
Wetin see every man for himself and cry your own cry. He don shoot bell, mama don fly. So na wetin dey pain am in talk so.
So na wetin carry go play my dad.
You know if they talk of Musa, the person wey just marry, he never do honeymoon. He just for honeymoon.
He never do.
He just for money.
He postpone.
HAG dey carry am come.
No, more even analyze.
You know say na you win dey pass. They just dey stroke, dey waka.
No wonder.
And that guy wey score that first one, he don talk say he must score.
No, that boy sabi score. Shebi na him scores now.
I can't dey look. Wait now, I can't dey look. Abi na juju.
No be juju.
No be juju. He don talk am. He stroke pass a change like this. Stroke.
Na so it is.
That one wey back punk. Wey be say bia na the punk dey make the ball dey over the post. Wey back punk. That one too. I no know. Bia.
No, you know wetin even happen be say now the picture don show now.
Say.
We don know the reason why. Number one, you carry Daniel Akpeyin. If you see the guy belle, the belle be like all this 17 mountain fufu. You put for posts. Number two, you can't arrange just married man. We say on top altar, 19 wife. After yes, I do. I know to say kiss the bride before they come out in mouth. Say, oh boy, come and wear super jeans with Tessie. You put them for defense. You can't put for bench again. Person say just married 2 months ago. After marriage, he go back to London. You can't put married man and about to married men put for pitch. How? No.
Not to blame Daniel. You know why I no go to blame him? Himself get fault to all of them from goalkeeper, even to the grass and to the ball where they use play.
God go bless you. I want to ask one question. NFF. Shey concern LMC?
No, why go dey call LMC?
Or MPFL?
You no get sense.
NFF, na true say na South Africa borrow us ball wey take play. You people, you need question. Why is Buhari not around to come and probe these people? They should set up a committee.
I no just know why.
You know hear the story why here? The story why here be say they say on that day, say na old school felele, double header. Na we dey take dey train. Say na make I talk true. They say the truth and let the truth. Devil should set you free or you go set you free.
Wait, your tatafo too much say you go carry correct news mix am up with
na correct news
fake.
If I dey lie, be why dey inside the training committee. No wonder they see the ball dey stand koko for head. I say which kind of ball would they use? They say na him the referee come. When the referee touch the ball, say come, what is this? Why are you people using iron to play football? No, because where is our?
So the one wey they use play, they borrow am.
Na borrow na South Africa borrow us.
No wonder. You know say if they borrow something, you know if you use our post too much.
So we can't dey use idea dey play the ball.
Okay, breeze don blow. Foul yansh.
Yeah, the winds are blowing. We have seen the furrow of RDS. South Africa go dey wan say this ball is our own. Don't play it anyhow. This ball is our own because why we na only our own. Na they jersey no go reach where they wan use jersey. Na only our own.
No talk am again. No talk am.
Make we dey talk am come outside.
No.
Na wetin kill us for Olympics be that. We say our own jersey, our basketballers, their jersey no arrive until the day wey they win us. Wey Argentina win us like 100-2.
No talk am again. E too dey vex.
So take ball. I know say everybody na oga for a lane. The person wey dey in charge, the controller of football of the ball, leather ball. He say no, my money remain 200 naira. Because of 200 naira, that no release our own ball.
I take no na 200 naira. Your own tatafo no dey get basis. But any which way, the one way we wan talk be say they don lose, but make we take heart.
Which
part? But I wan warn all of them, from the player to the coach, to the NFF to the president. May e no happen again. This should be the first and the last.
Must we in our own house? Now wetin dey bring back in our own house? The last time when this thing happen was.
abeg wetin be your own house you never see where person come fight you for your own mama room beat you.
For your mama room or for mama.
Yeah, I know say don you wey be ogbolo.
Person go beat me for my.
I know say they beat you well.
Me.
That time wey you dey school.
Me, you know say
power. For that year.
You know say power.
For that year.
You know say power.
For that year.
The last time when they win us for our home soil. Na in 1981 na Mali na do am 1981 na they do am and since that year till now they never do am again. You know South Africa my pikin wey dey nurse.
Anyway all of them they are the one wey dey use left or the one wey dey use right leg or the one wey dey use the two their left leg or their right.
Please gonna try I want to
them.
Let me speak English now with a Germanic because I know it is
no speak English. If you dey speak English you go dey be like say maybe you dey pamper them.
Make I speak.
Tell them as they hot.
As they hot now, make I use our own language.
Shine your eye.
Shine your eye. Make we no go change am for you. All those Mikel Obi, Moses.
Wey talk say you no need them.
We say you no need them. Please, we need them. We are the fans.
We need them.
We need them.
See now, we don blow. Your nyash don open.
We need them. Call them back. We need Ighodalo, Idalo. All of.
Odion Igalo.
Odion Igalo. This other boy wey dey play for Olympian country Brown Ideye, bring them in. We want to use them. If you cannot use them, we know how we used to use them. Please.
But you unique. Now shout you dey shout. You no even know the people their name.
I know I didn't.
Just
their name,
mouth.
everything they mix up.
Now mouth just they make. You no know their name.
No let us use. I don't tell you we no go laugh.
You too dey lie.
Make the man no know say we know we dey vex. Please, Oluwa gone at raw. Please look into my eyes and read my lips. We need our experience.
Make amendments.
Make amendments.
We dey serious.
Nigeria, we no get cheap pillow.
We dey serious.
This one we lose, so we just see the.
If na plane you carry come Nigeria, we fit send you back with Okada or Keke Marwa.
You know what you talk? He say if you resign, if you no come with they no born you well.
Before you resign, we go koko am na. If you like say you no know us.
No, we no go koko am. Me no put fear.
We go koko am.
He has said it and he will do.
May do us well. You don hear me so. Do us well.
I mean, leave the case alone. No, now so we go draw the curtain for you because na the only way they pay me, where they bomb me for mine now power today. Super Eagles.
As a true Nigerian.
As a true Nigerian, we have to be patriotic.
Yes.
Please, people have started calling people garnish chicken. Please, don't let them chicken. Hey, you are not tipping chicken, no. Please, you are Super Eagles. We want you people to be sowing higher and higher and higher. Against Cameroon, if you now want no one play rock
against Cameroon, more na fly, more na no crawl because na crawl on Saturday. Na hear me so, more na fly.
We wish na the best.
See, more dey go. More leave Nigeria. More dey go.
So don't say so my mind just go today.
More dey go.
The way I want to before.
Leave them. More dey go. Leave them.
That one come here just be like say you are better. They no mention am.
You too dey. I don beg you, don't do.